Le bona kwa mmoja. Malume. O da di tshwaro.
Okay.
Ngwana malome le le kaula ga ga jaanong monna o ke ko ena o ba gaetso o tswala kwa setšhelekwa jaanong nna ile ga borra batho ba isa bana ba bone ko dipokong nna ntate ke gale ko maja.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and of course to do share this video. So currently trending on Facebook and TikTok would have to be this video, you guys. So wedding video, you guys. The reason why it is trending because it is a wedding, yes, a wedding, but there is actually a plot twist. This wedding is not between a man and a woman. As a matter of fact, this wedding is between two men, you guys. That's the number one reason why people are talking. But number two, people were shocked seeing the badge there, you guys. The ZCC church badge. The other guy, the one who's wearing Duke and a short, is also wearing the ZCC badge. And of course, people in the comment section flooded in, particularly ZCC members. They fumed after seeing what they were doing. They flooded in saying, how could they do something like this, as they felt like they were disrespecting the church of the ZCCC, as this has never ever happened before in the church where they saw a same-sex marriage, you guys. They were saying that Bishop Lachanyane would never allow anything like this, and that these two men were committing an abomination, you guys. They were saying that they were dragging the church's name under the mud. Most of the comments which I saw, of course, were from the ZCC member fuming, saying, please take this off, as this is very disgusting and very humiliating. What do you guys think about this? What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section down below. Also, of course, do like this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.